Okay, so here's the plant taken out of the container. Okay, and you can see how long the roots are. We're going to put it into the base of the hole. And you see how much space I still have. I want to get the soil up to about here. Okay, it's hard to sort of tell on this video, but now I'm filling it in. And it's okay to bury a few of those leaves. And get it kind of as straight as you can and kind of press it around the base as much as you can. Okay, so there's the little tomato seedling. Now at this stage, you should put a cage around it, okay, just to make sure it's got some support. If you don't have a cage, you could use bamboo trellising, so it just stakes it and keeps it strong. I'll just show you how to do the hole one more time, because this guy's out. Okay, so another decent size, because I'm going to go up to about here with this one. Oh, I'm going to use my hands too. Okay, so then that goes in. But before it goes in, I've got a little bit of the fertilizer here. I'm just going to sprinkle into the base. This just helps the roots really get established in the hole. And that goes in. There we go. I'll move my body out of the way. And then just gently press it down. And there we go. Okay, nice and sturdy. Now some folks also talk about putting Epsom salts around the base. You could do that, or you mix the Epsom salts in some water and spray to increase the flowers to produce, and that's where you get the fruit anyway. That's all good stuff for sure. Oh, and this one gets a little extra bonus, a little worm right here too. Okay, so that's basically how to transplant tomatoes. The important thing is to make sure they're pretty established and they've been living outside for a while and gotten strong in the rain and the different weather conditions. But making sure that they get staked after at this point. And you could, if you want, put them under a hoop house or some extra protection, but they should be okay now. And this size tomato plant that you see with these guys, this size will start producing tomatoes probably later in the season. I want to say August or September, depending on the weather and depending on how well you're tending to them. They should produce fruit well into September, maybe even October. So this is the stage that it's just the waiting stage and making sure that they get stronger. But they should start producing all their roots on the sides. And I think these are probably cherry tomatoes. Bumblebee or red cherry or orange cherry tomatoes. And there's actually a bee flying by as I'm talking. How serendipitous. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, barb@sproutingchefs.com. But that's our little tomato lesson for the day. Thanks so much.